Hi, my name is Zach. I'm a customer success manager here at YCharts, and I'm excited to talk to you guys today about the custom securities tool available within our site. So at a high level, we can use this tool to supplement data within YCharts, such as for model portfolio holdings, cash or fixed income proxies, or even delisted securities that are no longer available. And the input for these custom securities is pretty straightforward. You just need historical return data, which you would then upload in an Excel template that you can format for daily, monthly, or any return periods. And once that's been successfully done, you'll have your past performance data listed here. Type in a quick name, throw in your benchmark index, and even specify how you want this to classify throughout the rest of the site, such as your broad asset class, which in this case, we're obviously using a bond. You can specify the region, bond sector, maturity, and even credit quality in this example. And so now once your custom security has been fully built, you can actually reference this throughout the rest of the site, such as in model portfolio holdings. And an easy example of that can be seen in our fundamental charting tool, where I can pull in a fully invested strategy, 100% stock-based S&P portfolio, versus a blended strategy that now uses our fixed income proxy. And now you can see the difference in return data. You can actually even have a quick conversation with clients about risk as well by using the drawdown chart. So this is the real beauty of using the custom securities tool, is being able then to reference that again across the rest of the site.